Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This one is similar to the last one. Factor this polynomial. So let's just rewrite this. So just make it easier for us. Minus 8x minus 8. Okay, so we have to factor this. In my previous video, you started off with the greatest common factor, and it's always going to look like this. All these questions they're going to throw it to you guys. It's going to be the exact same thing. So what do all of these have in common? Well, I see there's a common 2, and can I pull anything else? Can I pull an x out of all of these? No, I can't pull an x out of all of these. So let's take out this common 2. Okay. So if you take out this common 2, you get minus 4x minus 4. Okay, so how can I factor this more? If usually you guys would think I can't factor this anymore, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so I'm just going to keep this. But we could factor this just a little bit more, right? The teacher's going to make you want to factor this. The teacher's not going to give you a one-step problem worth 5 or 10 marks. You have to factor this a bit more. So we should do factor by grouping, right? So let's just separate these two right here. Okay, let's just do that. So let's open up the big bracket. We'll do x cubed plus x squared plus minus 4x minus 4. Okay? Alright, so we have to make sure, like we said in our last video, we want the two brackets to look the same. We want them to look the same. So let's just start by saying, let's just do trial and error here maybe. Let's just see what is the most common in this bracket. We have an x squared here. So let's rewrite this. Take out the x squared. We're going to be left with x plus 1 plus. Now how do I make this bracket look like x plus 1? Well, if I take out a minus 4, let's just see what happens if we take out a minus 4. If I take out a minus 4, this becomes x minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus 1. Close the big bracket. I say I have this here and I have this here. I made the brackets look the same. So then I could take this one and couple it with this one. And this right here is our common factor in this whole bracket. So I get to take this out and be x squared minus 4 times x plus 1. But wait a second. You think you got your 10 on 10. But this could be factored just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. This is the difference of two perfect squares. This is x squared, the square root is x, and 4, the square root is 2. So I get to write this as x minus 2, oops, sorry, I'm going to have to redo that one, x minus 2, x plus 2, times x plus 1. And there's your final answer. Now, I just want to show you guys the identity, in case you guys didn't know the identity. When you have an a squared minus b squared, the identity is a plus b times a minus b. And if you guys want to factor this, if you guys want to FOIL it, you guys could go ahead and FOIL it and do what you want to FOIL it, and you're gonna get this answer. So this is your final answer. This is how you get your 10 on 10. Alright guys? The teacher's always going to give you these fancy polynomials, and you're going to make you do one step and you're going to think you're done, but there's still a couple more steps that you have to do to get that final answer. Alright? So I'm going to give you guys a little bit one of the harder ones that you're probably going to be seeing on your exams, and the next one I'll show you guys how to solve it. It's not hard at all. I'll see you guys there, alright? Take it easy.